Today we're putting together some garden beds, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a bit cold out today. It is, I think, 24, a little bit of snow outside. And it's January, and I know what you're thinking. Zone 6B, outside of Pittsburgh, North Versailles, Pennsylvania. Noah, you're thinking about gardening? Well, of course I am. If you remember last year, I replaced some of my wooden raised beds with Vego Metal Raised beds. 17 inches tall, 9-in-1s. And because I have 3 rows of wooden raised beds, well, I had, and now I have 1 row replaced with 3 of the Vego beds. And I wasn't gonna do anything else. And right after the first of the year, I think it was, boy, if I didn't find a good sale on Instagram. So what did I do? I bought 3 more. Turns out, though, 2 days ago, the sale got even sweeter. If I would have waited, I could have saved more money. What are you going to do? But hey, if you're watching this video, go to Instagram and go to Vegan Garden Beds. Vegan, not vegan. Vego. Well, I guess garden beds could be vegan. Vego Garden Beds on Instagram. And shop their store there. Because if you buy through the Instagram store, you get even more savings. And I think now it's up to 40% off. But I bought 3 of these. No, it's not in here because these are pretty heavy. They're pretty hefty. And I put this one together earlier. But as you can see, look how happy she is gardening there. I should have drew a little face on there. I did go with the pearl white again. If you guys remember from my video last year, I didn't want pearl white. I wanted British green, but I screwed up and got pearl white. So I'm sticking with that theme. It kind of rhymed, so to speak. But I did get 3 more pearl white beds, and I'm building them down here in my shop, in my work area, because it is so cold out, like I said before. So I built one earlier. Turns out my single door that I can open up 2, but the single door, it's not wide enough to get the bed out. So you got to turn it, and I got to get help to get it out. But they're very manageable. They're pretty light once they're built. And I'm just pre-building them. I'm sticking them up in the garden area until I get ready to start replacing the next series of wooden beds. And I have some super ideas for the garden, which is a 2-year plan, so to speak. Well, I'm going to grab another one. I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to make a little video of putting this guy together. Pretty cool in the back. It does give you the layouts of what you can do, all the different sizes, and that's where they get the 9-in-1. I didn't go with a huge 32-inch tall, I think it is. I did the 17-inch. 17 inch is good for me. The bigger, the taller ones, I have some custom-built ones that I built that were pretty tall. And wow, it takes a good bit to fill them. But this is what I got. It comes with all the pieces, and it comes with your edges and all your different designs. You can do it. It talks about the coating, the alloy zinc coating, zinc alloy coating. But 9-in-1 modular metal raised bed. Boy, they really put it all out there. But hey, go check Vego Gardens out on Instagram. Look at their store there. You get a super deal. Or you can look at them on the internet at vegogarden.com, do believe. But I'm going to put a link for all the Vego Garden stuff down below in the bucket. I love when people say it that way. So I'm going to pull another one out and probably do a real sped up thing of me building the next bed number 2. Okay, here we go. Here's a box that is, like I said, they're pretty heavy. I don't know the exact weight on these, but they're not light for sure. So let's pop this open, pull them out. I'll show you the panels, and I'll show you what you have to do first. Okay, so this is what you have. These are your corners, and you nail comb corners, and you have 4 of those, and these are your flats, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's how you come up with your 9 different designs. Where you put these, and if you put them in between the corners, long, skinny, short, fat, whatever really is going to fit your needs. The first thing you have to do, and if I could give one complaint, to Vego, this is it. And I'm sure other people say, and this is not a big thing, it's not super, but it, whoa. When they make these, they put this, can you hear that? That's a plastic, like a saran wrap that's probably heat treated on there. And it's for shipping, so when they rub together, they're not scratching each other and rubbing the coating off or anything. You have to take the coating off of these. It's not that simple. So if I was to do this in real time, it's I don't know what they could do to solve this. Put a little thing sticking up. I'll do one in real time, and then I won't subject you to watch me do all the other ones in real time. Oh my gosh. And you gotta watch, you don't want to bend them. Holy Moses. Aha, there we go. So I got an edge. And the thing is, I have, oh, you got to make sure you get maybe a little bit on that edge and the other edge. The thing is, I'm not just doing one of these, and I said this in my video last year that I put out. I'm building 3 of these. So you have to do that. You have to take all of your plastic off all those. Don't leave the plastic on, kids. And this right here, this is our goodies bag that comes in there. It does come with the instructions, and it comes with a nice Vego sticker if you care to put it on. It comes with this right here. After you build it, these are really not sharp edges. They turn the, yeah, a little bit of plastic left on there. They do turn the tops over. There's a nice little bend, but where they go together, and you gotta have to be a little careful putting these together because, I mean, it is metal and there could be a sharp edge, maybe got a funny cut, but this stuff right here goes along the whole top edge, and it's custom cut to fit regardless of the size bed that you're building, which is pretty nice. And then there's the super goodie bag. It does come with a little wrench, but as you'll see in a little bit, I use a power drill because there's a lot of nuts and bolts put together. But this is your washers, this is your screws. It comes with a wrench if you don't have a power drill or whatever, and you may possibly need a screwdriver. So a Phillips head screwdriver. So what I do is I open this up, I separate it into different containers. It makes my life easy, and that's about it. I'm gonna take all that plastic off. I do understand the purpose of it, but holy crap. And that was a round one, or a corner. Now this is a flat, and it's the same thing. You have to mess around to get pulling up. Oh my gosh. Holy Moses. There you go. Once you get it on the run, I wonder how many people just leave this on, don't take it off. It does say in the instructions. Like I said, keep it flat. You don't want to bend up because you can bend it. It's just a piece of metal. It's only so thick. Make sure you get off that edges. And that's it. You do this for every piece, then you start putting it together. So Give me a sec, and I'll be right back with them all deplasticized. I don't know why I snapped. Give me a sec.